This is the Netduma R1. Just received in the mail. Came with this lovely Ethernet cable. I don't know what kind it is. Maybe a Cat 6. Since it's a gigabit route, I don't know. It may be Cat 5e. Let's go ahead and open it up. You see in the box, we have this lovely little card here that's kind of showing you how to connect it. A little quick start guide. I don't think I'll need that. And okay, we have the router. Really small device. Sorry. USB port there. Not sure what that's for. And it has the WAN, which is the #1 PoE slot. Then the 4. I know these are gigabit. I know these are all gigabit ports. I read it before I bought it. Pretty simple little device here. Can't show you all the back, so I don't want people trying to log into my router. So, here's the router, and here's the AC adapter. And there's nothing else in the box. There it is, the Netduma and everything that came with it. I'm recording this with my cell phone, so videos kind of sucks a little bit, shaking around. I'm gonna go back and try to show you all once again. All right. I'll make another video once I get it connected and maybe show what it can do as far as the features go. But yeah, for right now, I think that's it. Has some writing here on the back. Maybe that'll help somebody out if you lost your instructions. Alright, cool. So, next video I'll go ahead and show you guys what the interface looks like and different types of features it has.